How to see friend request on Facebook. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Facebook, enter your login credentials, and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, at the bottom, tons of different options will be visible to you. You need to head over to Friends. In this page, you will be able to see all the list of the people that has sent you the friend request. If you want to accept it, then all you gotta do is tap on confirm. Once a friend request has been accepted, now if you want to remove or delete any of it, then all you gotta do is tap on delete. And there you go, the friend request has been deleted successfully. So this is simply how you can see all the friend requests on Facebook. That's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.